Welcome to Quarter 4, Week 2, Grade 4 Mathematics. Solves routine and non-routine problems involving squares, rectangles, triangles, parallelograms, and trapezoids. There are two basic types of solving word problems. You can categorize them as routine and non-routine problems. The purpose and strategies used for solving problems is different from each type. Let's talk about routine problem solving. A routine problem involves using at least one of the four arithmetic operations and or ratios to solve problems that are practical in nature. Example 1. Mr. Cruz donated a rectangular lot to their barangay health center. It is 10 meters long and 8 meters wide. What is the area of the lot? First, understand. Know what is asked for in the problem. The area of the rectangular lot donated by Mr. Cruz. Find the given. Create a visual representation of the word problem through illustration. The area of the rectangular lot donated by Mr. Cruz. So here we have a rectangular lot. Given is 10 meters long and 8 meters wide. This side is 10 meters and this side is 8 meters. The length is 10 meters and the width is 8 meters. Next, plan. Since you are looking for the area of the rectangular lot, use the formula in finding the area of a rectangle. Formula in finding the area of a rectangle: A is equal to L times W, where A is the area, L is the length, and W is the width. Determine the operation to be used. Here we will use multiplication. What is the number sentence? A is equal to L times W. A is equal to 10 meters times 8 meters. Number 3, solve. Apply the formula to solve. From the formula, A is equal to L times W. A is equal to 10 meters times 8 meters. So the area is equal to 80 square meters. Number 4, complete answer. The area of the rectangular lot donated by Mr. Cruz is 80 square meters. Example number 2. Mr. Reyes wants to buy a vacant lot nearby. It is a square lot which is 12 meters on one side. What is the area of the lot? Number 1, understand. Know what is asked for in the problem. The area of the square vacant lot. Find the given. Create a visual representation of the word problem through illustration. Given a square lot with one side equals 12 meters. Since this is a square, all sides have the same length, which is 12 meters. Number 2, plan. Since you are looking for the area of the square lot, use the formula in finding the area of a square. The formula is A is equal to S times S, or A is equal to S squared. Determine the operation to be used. Here you are going to use multiplication. What is the number sentence? A is equal to S times S, or A is equal to 12 meters times 12 meters. Number 3, solve. Apply the formula to solve. We have the formula for finding the area of a square. A is equal to S times S. S is the side of the square. A is equal to 12 meters times 12 meters. The area is equal to 144 square meters. Number 4, state the complete answer. The area of the vacant lot is 144 square meters. Next, we have non-routine problem solving. A non-routine problem solving is mostly concerned with developing a person's mathematical reasoning power and fostering the understanding that mathematics is a creative endeavor. It typically does not have an immediate apparent strategy for solving them. Often, these problems can be solved in multiple ways. So let's have an example. What is the area of a square cardboard which has 15 centimeters on all sides? What will happen to the area if you double the side? Here are the steps. Number 1, you have to analyze the problem. Number 2, know the facts. What are you asked to find? What happened to the area of the square cardboard if you double the side? What facts do you need? Area of the square cardboard whose side is 15 centimeters. Area of the square cardboard whose side is being doubled. Number 3, plan the solution. So, make a table. Illustrate the problem. Here we have a square whose side is 15 centimeters. And another square whose side is equal to 30 centimeters. Get the area of the smaller square. Get the area of the bigger square. Compare their area. Number 3, solve. From the formula, area of the square is equal to S times S, or S squared. Let us first solve for the area of the square whose side is equal to 15 centimeters. From the formula, A is equal to S times S. Area is equal to 15 centimeters times 15 centimeters. The area is equal to 225 square centimeters. Then solve for the area of the square whose side is equal to 30 centimeters. Why 30 centimeters? Because you have to double the side of the given square, which is 15. That's why it is 30 centimeters. From the formula, A is equal to S times S. area is equal to 30 centimeters times 30 centimeters. The area of the square whose side is equal to 30 centimeters is equal to 900 square centimeters. Here we have the square whose sides is equal to 30 centimeters. Then we have 4 squares whose sides are equal to 15 centimeters. From 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters square, you can make 4 squares with side 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. The area of the square on the left is equal to 900 square centimeters. The area of each square at the right is equal to 225 square centimeters. The original square has an area of 225 square centimeters. The square whose side is being doubled has an area of 900 square centimeters. As you can see, the larger square is 4 times the smaller square. Thus, its area is also 4 times the smaller square. Number 5. State your complete answer. The area is 4 times the original square if the side is being doubled. It becomes 900 square centimeters. Remember, the steps in solving routine problems are: understand, know what is asked, what are given. Plan, know the operation, write the number sentence. Then solve, write the correct units, label your answer. Check and look back. Check your answer and state your complete answer. To solve non-routine problems, read and analyze the problem carefully. Tell what is asked and what are given. Use other strategies like act out the problem, listing or table method, guess and test, drawing or making a diagram, using patterns, working backwards, etc. to solve.